What's up guys, it is Max, and the first day of autumn was chosen for the presentation of the new Rolex 2020 models, and I believe the whole attention is paid to the new Rolex Submariner, which received the new index 126610 LV and 124060 for the watch without the date. And the main innovation of the Submariner is the 1mm thicker case from 40 to 41mm, and now a lot of people say it will be the Rolex with the most perfect fit on the wrist. The change just in 1mm in size led to several changes in the architecture of the case. The locks of the bracelet became narrower, and the 30-link bracelet of the oyster design, on the contrary, became wider. Another innovation of the new Submariner is not visible to the eye, but it can be felt. These are automatic movements on the new generation, caliber 3230 for the watch without the date indicator and caliber 3235 with the watch for the date indicator, which provides 70-hour power reserve versus 48 hours previously. And this is cool because we can take off the watch, for example on Friday, and put it back on Monday without worrying about its winding. During the coronavirus period, while the borders are closed and there is no way to see the watch in Russia, I managed to find it in Europe and try it on my wrist, and the impressions of the watch, believe me, are purely positive. I have a small wrist and the new Rolex looks fantastic. You can appreciate it from this photo. And you can know that under 6 o'clock position marking there is now a crown on the dial itself. And of course, the undoubted interest is the new Kermit, the sub with a green bezel and black dial. Submariners in this color were produced from 2003 to 2010, however, the bezel was made not of hard high-tech ceramics but of softer aluminum. And you know, the new Kermit really has some kind of a new special magic, and I don't want really to take this watch off my wrist. It's so cool. The new Kermit is already traded on the secondary market at the price of 23,000 euros on average, at the price of 9,050 in the store for a watch with a date. Black Submariner with a date is 400 euro cheaper. Only few people know how to buy this watch, but we should do our best to take it, because this watch will certainly only grow in the price. And what do you think about the new Submariner? Write in the comments, let's keep in touch, subscribe, follow us on the Instagram, and see you soon. Stay tuned, stay safe, and goodbye.